Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your operating system and keyboard model so changes match hardware. Once done, enable the input language or layout feature and install any vendor drivers or layout packs required. This ensures full key support. Make sure to export or back up the current key map so you can revert. Now open the keyboard layout settings panel. This is where you'll pick a new typing style and map keys. From here, you'll begin the actual remapping process. You now pick the typing style, Dvorak, Colmac, Ergonomic, or a custom map, and apply it in the Layout tool. Then remap modifiers and punctuation to match your muscle memory. Change caps lock, alt, control roles if needed. Adjust repeat delay and repeat rate to suit your speed. Once mapped, test extensively in a plain text editor, typing common words and sentences. If combinations feel awkward, iterate. Tweak a few keys, retest, and refine until you finish by saving the layout as a named profile and configuring it to load at login or assign a hotkey for fast toggling. Practice deliberately. 10 to 20 minutes of focused drills each day will rebuild speed and accuracy. Make sure to sync settings across devices if needed. If you encounter problems, first revert to your backed-up key map or reinstall drivers. Check for conflicting input software. Finally, if hardware issues persist, test another keyboard to isolate software versus physical faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.